another Dollar Tree in Indiana. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh wow, look at that. I need to find these when I go home. Definitely need to find those. Because if I was home, those would be in my basket. Oh, see some lemon ones. I've seen these, but I don't really like them. Something about like the print, I don't know, it just looks messy. But wow, look at personal care. Limoncello, pink peppercorn peony. This peppercorn, I've seen a lot of peppercorn going on in hand soap lately. Here it is, look. Peony and peppercorn, even though it's a totally different brand. Like, is peppercorn a thing? Watermelon and basil? Oh, I need to find those at home. But these, I want those too. They've got these little like trash cans for the car. But they also have them in all black and red. So I don't know. I guess those are sold out here. Look at this. Little organizer case. Ooh. If I was home, I would get this. I love Dollar Tree's tools. Wait, what is this? Wait, what? I have never seen Dollar Tree have nails before. That's crazy. I'm kind of seeing the usual things. I'm looking for the hand sanitizer, but I don't see those, unfortunately. Wow, look at these banners. What? And then this one with the monkeys. And then, oh, I don't get that one, but like, there it is. That is so cute. Wait, look at these. Love that. Okay, let's see. Let's go in the toy section. Yeah, just some blind bags. Yeah, still kind of seeing like the usual stuff. I love these. I also found some variety puzzles. Here they are. This one has hidden messages in it, which is really cool. They also have it in that color. But then I found these, which is so rare at Dollar Tree. Wait, what is this? Wrist strap? It's a wristlet. What? That is crazy. I wish they had other colors, or I would get that. A thing I'm noticing in this store that I've never seen before is they're mixing other priced items. Like, what? And it's not even being like marketed as bonus items either. Oh, that is tricky stuff right there. I'm not gonna lie. I do not like that. I think they need to separate like $1.25. Look. I think some of you were telling me about this actually. Uh-oh. Oh, these polka dots are so cute. Okay, these are really cute. I'm just gonna try shove those in my luggage. But yeah, so I'm in Ohio at another Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm whispering super quiet, so it's awkward to kind of talk loud. But yeah, we're still on the hunt for those hand sanitizers. Let's see if this store has it. They've got table skirts now. Wow. They have a lot more for graduation than they ever did in 2019 when Micah graduated. Like, look at that. Like, what? What? That is so cute. Oh my gosh, my mom just sent me a picture of these today, but I think she bought them for me. So I'm gonna pass on them. A body massager? Wow, that's so cool. I don't have room for that, or I would be buying. Okay, let's see if they have those freaking hand sanitizers. What is this? Oh, we're gonna get that. Hopefully, I think that will pass in the airport. Wait, what's this? A bunch of new, like, Bolero products. Charcoal wash. Did I just get this one? I did, but I don't have this one. So I'm gonna get that. Look at them. Look at them doing these bars of soap. But can we talk about this packaging? Because it's giving Nautica, Tommy Hilfiger. I don't know, but I really like this and I really wish I could take this home. Like, I would use this box for junk journaling. Which probably sounds ridiculous to some people, but I really would. Okay, here's hand sanitizers. They don't have them. I mean, they could be in another aisle, but look at these. I already hauled that in Indiana, so if you didn't watch that video, I'll link it down below. I hope I can find these back home. And then Personal Care put out these, but they also have a lemon one, which, oh my gosh. Wait a minute, what? That is really cute. Taking my thumbnail photo in here makes me wonder if the managers like are watching. Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. What is that? Beeswax reusable wraps made with cotton and real beeswax for a healthy alternative to plastic wrap. No, I'm bringing that home. I'm not risking that one. It's thin, it's flat. I'm shoving it in between clothes, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm still not seeing the hand sanitizers. I'm seeing lots of what? Oh my gosh, these would be so beautiful for Mother's Day. I really don't think I have room for this stuff. Oh, you guys. Man, this has been a rough go because let me tell you, Indiana and Ohio have had some amazing things. I haven't found the hand sanitizers, but I have found stuff I did not even know about. Look at this. So nice. Looks so moisturizing. And this one too, the olive for curly, wavy, straight, kinky. I've even looked at the end caps. I'm not seeing it. We've got, look, you can like change your oil and everything. I swear if I knew how to do that, I think I'd change my own oil. As much as I have fixed and using Dollar Tree stuff, I'm surprised I haven't like started changing my own oil. You know what? That makes me think maybe I should. I just wouldn't want my car to fall on top of me. Okay, how cute are these? And then these, wait, what's this? Okay, that looks really, we're getting those. Stickers always somehow come back with me. Wait, look how cute. Oh my gosh. They are so good. They are getting so much better. They didn't have all that when Micah was going to school. There's still a strawberry little notebook I think that I'm trying to find, but don't know where that is. Look at this. If I could fit this in my luggage, just know it would be in there. But I can't. So, and I can't hang it back up because it's broken, so I'm just gonna put it here for somebody to see. Oh look, they have the, so cute. Oops. Wait, what is this? If Keanu were your boyfriend. Oh my lord. Alright. What is, these books are so darling. Like, Food IQ, that is a hefty book right here. Hefty. So many cute things. They also have Harry Potter stuff too. I don't know if this store has it, but there's Harry Potter coloring books, Candyland. I have that one already. But wait, is this a paper doll? Paper dolls. Look, you guys, paper dolls. Pretty sure I have hauled this before. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, there's several different ones. Like, that's a pirate one. I don't think I have the mom sticker. I have like, I think I have grandma, I have like dad and grandpa, but I don't think I have mom. Here's grandpa. Wait, I don't think I have grandpa either. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. And then you can just custom color it. Oh, my goodness. Farm life. That's just... Dollar Tree really is raising the bar. Look, they have new patches. Oh, avocados are sweet. Ooh, these foam sticker letters. Wait. Wait. Is this bonus? let's see what that's gonna ring up. I'm gonna try to shove that in my luggage. Probably won't work, but all these beads gather. Alright guys, unfortunately there's just only so much I can take back with me. So it's probably going to be the end of this vlog from Ohio. Can't do, or it's gonna be the end of the shop with me. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna get today. And unfortunately, like, look how cute that is. That's new too. There's just so much, but because I'm traveling, you know, I just can't take it all with me. So we will see. We will see if we can start finding some stuff in Dallas. I think maybe I need to like venture out and go to some different stores. But look at these paint sponges. Oh my gosh. I think these are gonna ring up $1.25. So I'm very excited about that. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I really just kind of wanted to come in here and see if they had those hand sanitizers. They don't. So maybe I'll find them back home. I'm going somewhere else really soon. I'm very excited about my next trip. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys back in Dallas.